Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 936 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out a brow pencil. I love trying out new brow products, and what I have here is the Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. And I got this in my August 2020 Boxycharm box, and I was so happy with what I got in that box. So if you haven't seen my Boxycharm unboxing, I will of course have that video linked in the description down below. I love the brand Real Her because they put these really sweet positive affirmations on all of their products. So I, as in I, am strong is an example of that. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, waterproof, and vegan, and this retails for $16. But it is a very skinny, twist up micro pencil, which I love for the brows. Here is what that looks like. And then the essential spoolie on the other end. So I love that you can get such fine, skinny lines with this, which is perfect for filling in sparse areas of the brows because you can really create the little hair-like lines. So first step, I am going to brush through my long, unruly brow hairs, and I am going to fill in the front of my brows with these little small lines. This shade has some orange to it, which is not looking very natural in my brows. It's a very obvious color difference, but we'll see once I blend this through the brow. It might be fine, but it's definitely a warm tone brown, and my natural brow hairs are more of a cool tone taupe shade. Like you can see the difference in the colors there. But this is very easy to use. It glides right on. I am going in with what I feel like is the tiniest little touch, and it's still showing up. But I filled in my brow really fast. So now I'm gonna take the spoolie end and brush through and evenly disperse the product a bit more so that my whole brow has this color. Wow, it's very red. Okay, so here is some clarification, which is not obvious, and I don't really like this, but the name I Am Strong, when you go on the website, means medium brown. Also, why would I get medium brown when I always fill out that I have either blonde or taupe brows in Boxycharm? Boxycharm really does not listen, it seems like, to what shades you put in your quiz. But okay, aside from the shade not matching perfectly, once I have my other brow filled in, you might not even be able to notice. But it's a decent brow pencil. It's not amazing. Yeah, like it doesn't hold the brow hairs down at all. I'd still have to use a gel on top of it. It looks smooth in the brow. But yeah, that's the thing. Even when I put it on my finger here, it smudges. It's supposed to be waterproof, but it's not smudge proof. So I feel like it fades easily. I'm very picky with my brow products, so I'm not loving this, but let's see how it is in the other brow. I'm just so thrown off right away by the shade, but it could just take some getting used to. Changing up the brow look, I feel like, is always so crazy looking at first, but then you get so used to it. Like how I got used to filling in my brows, but at first just filling in my brows I felt like looked so weird on me. So maybe this is a good shade for me because I do have some red tones to my hair. I know it's kind of hard to see, but this shade could be okay, but I'll probably just have to get used to it. But what I'm not loving either is, like I said, it smudges easily, so it doesn't look super natural in my brows. Like you can see kind of like smudged product, and I have to blend it through with the spoolie because if I don't, it just looks completely crazy because the shade doesn't match my brows very well. But then when I blend it through, it's like you can see kind of like a smudged color through the brows. But the finished result looks good. My brows look shaped perfectly. They look full, but they don't look super natural. So I'm just not completely comfortable wearing this around other people because I don't like it to look like I filled in my brows. And I have so many amazing brow pencils that don't look obvious like I filled in my brows. So if I was recommending a brow pencil to you, I'm sorry to say I would not recommend this, but of course I always want to be honest and help guide you in your purchases. It's a good idea having it be very skinny with the spoolie on the end, but you can just find much better brow pencils out there and for a much cheaper price. Some that I would recommend are the e.l.f. brow pencil and the Mastori brow pencil. I've done reviews on both of those and I can have those linked in the description down below if you're interested in other brow pencils that I would recommend more. So I was very excited about my August Boxycharm box. I was like, this is the best box I ever got. But so far, I've tried out 3 of the products and none of them really worked well for me or impressed me at all. So that is such a bummer. I still have my Cargo Nude Beach eyeshadow palette and the Trestique Matte for Every Mood mini matte lip crayon set to try out, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I'll like those. But the QMS Tinted Day Cream, the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and now this REALHER brow pencil did not impress me at all. I still love trying out all of the products, and I hope that you still enjoy watching these videos even when the products aren't amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.